It's time to make a drawing for your cutting board. You're going to need a couple things. You'll need a ruler, you need a pen or a pencil, and you'll need a piece of paper. Oh, no, not that kind of paper. Come on, you guys. Do better. No, not that kind of paper either. For this drawing, you'll need some graph paper. All right, take your graph paper, line it up like so, and the first thing we want to do is we want to create borders. We don't want to get in the habit of using the outside of the paper as the outside of your cutting board. So with your ruler, please draw straight lines. We'll just line up on the outside set of squares here. All right, there we go. Next thing we need to do is think of a pattern we want. We could just do like 3 strips of wood. We could do something really crazy. I'm going to do a pattern that just goes one direction to keep it simple. If you want to do more, you can. Just understand that every time you change the gluing direction, you add a step to this. To keep it simple, I'm going to keep my drawing right on the lines. These are 1/2-inch lines, so this will make my dimensioning easier later on. And I'm going to make this board symmetric. You don't have to, but I'm going to, which means this, and this board will be the same on the other side. Okay, now I have my pattern done. Now I need to choose some woods for this. If you go up to the teacher table, you find a stack of wood samples. Let's take a look and see what we have. Okay, there's a couple of these we want to pull off right away. Like, for example, myrtle wood. We don't have that in the shop. That's hard to find because it comes with bugs. Fir is a soft wood. We don't want to use that. Another soft wood in here is cherry. We don't want to use cherry. And another one we'll see in there is cedar. Don't want cedar either. Right, which leaves us with these basic choices here. There's another one that's in here that I don't have a sample for, and that's called eucalyptus. If you want to see that, take a look at my ruler box up on the counter. That's eucalyptus right there. So if you want to use this as a choice, you totally can. So for mine, I'm going to choose 3 different woods. I'm always a fan of walnut and maple. I mean, those are just kind of my go-tos. And then for my third one, I think I will use hickory. Now, before I really decide on these, if you turn these over, on one side you will see the finished color. So this has a coat of wood oil applied to it. The opposite side is the dry wood. So that's what it looks like in the wood room. That's what it will look like on your cutting board. Right, so we've got our hickory, walnut, and maple are 3 woods. So I'm gonna go hickory on the outside. And for my thin strip, I'm going to use maple. And my middle one will be the walnut. Pretty simple right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and label the dimensions just so that I have them. This is 1 1/2 inches. There we go. All right, we're pretty much done here. The only thing I need to do before I start cutting wood, I need to go get my teacher to sign this. And he's probably not going to sign it without a name, so let's do that. There we go. Teacher's going to get it and say, yay! Good job, ready to start. This is all we need for the drawing. You're going to turn this in for assignment 8.5 and get that back, and you're ready to start. That'll be the subject of another video. But there you go. There's your cutting board drawing. That's all you got to do. Wait a minute. I mentioned use a ruler, right? I want a ruler on these drawings. I don't want any of this nonsense down here. Are you kidding me? No way. We're in high school now, guys. We're not doing kindergarten level work. Pencil, pen, ruler. Let's do it right, okay?